Hi Yegi, this is Myra. I was in your class on August 18th for the eyelash lift, and I was also in your class on August 19th for the eyelash extensions. So it was about a month ago. What brought me to your website was actually your YouTube channel. I found a video where you were demonstrating how to apply eyelash extensions on someone, and I remember really liking how you were speaking to your client, how you were talking to your viewers, and so I ended up on your website. It was really easy to navigate, and I found the classes right away. And I really liked the way you broke down what we would be learning in class and also everything that was going to come in your kit. So I felt like I wasn't going to be just wasting my money. I knew what to expect once I got to the school. When I arrived at the academy, I felt like I was actually in class, having to take notes from the board and from a teacher. You were extremely descriptive and very thorough, so I really liked that. Another thing I really liked was the group setting where we all got to ask questions, and I feel like we learned from each other's mistakes and everything, so that was great. I would say that the funnest part was the actual hands-on practice, but it's definitely the hardest part. I was extremely nervous when I started lashing my client. I felt like I was going to poke her eye out. I felt like I was going to pull out her lashes. Of course, none of that happened, and it was really good to have you walking around reassuring us, letting us know that none of that was going to happen, and also giving us your extra tips and tricks that you did. It was really good to have you there. I feel like after I moved on to the second eye, I was no longer nervous, and to this day I don't get nervous anymore. I've lashed a couple of clients since the classes. I've also done a couple of eyelash lifts, and I am very comfortable with my tools. And I feel like, overall the class was extremely useful. I wouldn't be able to do lash extensions or eyelash lift without your guidance. Definitely watching a video on YouTube is not enough to learn how to do all that, you taught us. And especially with the tricks that you gave us, it was extremely useful. And I feel like I really appreciate you giving me the chance to learn all of this stuff. So thank you so much. I appreciate it.